come on, alright, there. 1 and 2 in, so I'm gonna go back and put that in. And put this in. And then, and what? Wait. Okay, I caught this now. Why is this a dotted? I already said dot off my page. I caught this error now, because that dotted half note is 3 counts. You need some technically be 2 counts versus 3. Not in your dreams, Waffles, and I corrected you. In every possible way you think of. Figuring out time signatures is going to be a definite blast today. Oh boy, this is going to be fun. I'm going to figure this out. Start on the top one. I'm going to take my top one and... Alright. So these two, you're tied. This is a tie. It ties notes together. It says... I'm going to write the counts just so we know where we're at. 1 and 2 and. So it's 1 and. So that's going to be a 2, 4 up here. So it's 1 and. 1 and that's that count. Because I can verify how this is going to be. 1, 2. And then 1 and. 1 and. So this is going to be an and. You don't technically play on the second count. You let it ring out right here. So it's 1 and 2. It's 1 and. So that's an and. And that's a 1 and a 2. 1 and 1 again. That's why it's that count. Okay, this is this rather tricky one. It says dotted half notes are a beat and a half, 1 and 3, 4. So this is 1 and 3, 4. It's 4, 4. Technically, not rocket science. 1 and 3 and 4. Gotta count the 8th note in there. Then 1, 2, 3, and okay. So this one's going to explain itself. So it says 1 and 2 and 3 and okay. Because this one counts for the 3 and the 4 on that measure, so that's why it's 1, 3, and. So it's 1, 3, and. So this one is going to be 1, 2, and 3, 4 right here. For the second, okay, now we're going to get some interesting stuff. Because you're dealing with a tie up here, that's where you're going to deal with. But it's workable. So my thing is going to be 1 and 3. This 1 and 3. So this is going to be 3, 4. Sorry, my handwriting's so sloppy. So 1 and 3. This one. 1, 2, 3 and. And then 1, 2, 3. You gotta count the half note no matter where you're at. 1. So I'm writing this, so saying this is going to count for 2 and 3, but this is going to be an and, so we got to write that in there. So it's 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2, 3. So that's why it's 3, 4.